Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Miro boards, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you add a template into your Miro board? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to add a template into your Miro board? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that keeping different assistants and projects in line can be overwhelming. And by setting up a Miro board with various templates, it can help organize that process. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Miro board dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Miro account, and this is the dashboard. Now, here in the dashboard, if you want to go ahead and add a template into one of your boards, what you're going to do is first off, scroll through until you find the board that you want to add the template to. Now, if you already have a template on your board, don't worry, you can still add other templates into the board. So for example, this one right here, we're going to go ahead and click on it. Okay, a few seconds later, my Miro board populates. So here is my Miro board. Now, if you want to add a template into this, you can definitely do that because you have a lot of different space if you zoom out, as you can see right here, and you can make your Miro board as big as you want or as small as you want. So we already have this template right here. And if we want to add another one, what you're going to do is here on the left side, go ahead and click on these like kind of square looking things and click on. Once you do that, you're going to see a list of the various templates that are available in Miro. You can see there are quite a few of them. So just kind of scroll through and then see which one applies to your ideas. So this one looks pretty cool. It looks like a little handwriting. Let me go ahead and click on there. Okay, so that one doesn't really look like it's going to work for this board. So let me close that out. I'm going to open that back up. Okay, I kind of like this one right here, random word. Let me go ahead and click on there, use. Okay, a quick second later, the template is added into my Miro board, as you can see right down here. We'll go ahead and zoom in. Okay, now we can go ahead and arrange this Miro board where we want. Maybe we want it below this other template or to the side of it. Maybe we want to make it smaller. Maybe we want to make it bigger. You can go ahead and do that. And then all you're going to do is just edit it like you would any other element in your Miro board. So YouTube videos, Instagram videos, and so on and so forth. And let me go ahead and zoom out. Okay, as you can see, that template's a little bit smaller compared to this template. So you might want to go ahead and maybe zoom in. So maybe we want to make them the same size. So I'll just go ahead and shrink this one down and then pop them right next to each other. Okay, now we can go ahead and zoom in. Okay, for me, that looks a little bit better because then they're basically the same size. So go ahead and play around with it. You can keep adding in more and more templates until the Miro board fits whatever your goals are. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to add a template into your Miro board, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.